Oh, no worries. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Damn.
Me t'i qu në 1400.
Oh, son of a bitch.
1400 me t'i qu, e ata tjera me t'i qu masanina. What the fuck, dude?
Damn, fuck.
Pay attention. This guy gonna hit you, you gonna hit this guy.
It's that goddamn fucking Punjabi with this
I know, fucking
shit.
idiot Punjabi.
Motherfucker, man.
Baltimore Bull bitch.
Okay, keep your eye on the truck on the far left. He hits a bump there where they're repaving the road, and the ball pops off, so the trailer goes down. Luckily, he had his chains, and the guy in the Infinity, the black Infinity ahead of me, moved off to the right because he saw the sparks from underneath the trailer, from that cement mixer that started dragging. So, luckily, in a few seconds, he gets back over to the left and tells the guy, "Hey, it's dragging." So he decides to get off the road, and he hits the high curb there, and it starts losing control. I thought, oh man, this guy's going to go into traffic accidentally. But luckily he straightened it out. Just a reminder to stay safe out there, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
special treats for my little brother and sister. Nothing big, just a Switch and some games. She thought I was wasting my savings, and that if I had extra, she could use it better. I don't know why, but I told her that I won the money, and now she won. It's heavily granted, and I should give a tithe and offering to the church. I go to church, but I don't think I believe anymore. I haven't for a while. I told her no, and she said I had to move out then. So I did. I went to a hotel. My bank put me in contact with a real estate agent, and I'm buying an apartment. Just one room, but it's nicer than my house. I'm not working right now because she told everyone. Now everyone is asking for money. But I don't want to give people I barely know money. I've set up an education account for my